In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply app layout on this Lenovo. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher. Following that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups to use this launcher. So while using, allow. Then swipe up, click on Home button, and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Now tap on Default Apps, select Home app, and click on iOS Launcher. Then tap on OK and hit Got it. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my tablet. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into the same settings and tap on Smart Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!